final steps. You can cook your cheese into your eggs, or you can just sprinkle it on top when your eggs are warm and the cheese will melt. Mr. V likes a lot of cheese. Here we go. Okay, and I'll leave this out for now to add it on top. The next thing I'm going to do is my tortillas, and you can do these directly on your burner. You can use a dry skillet, or you can use what I'm using, which is a comal if you have one at home. Either way is fine. So I'm going to move this aside along with my knife. Paper towel goes in the trash can, and I have my plate handy. Okay, so basically you're just heating these through. You want them soft so they're pliable. You don't want to fold them to eat them, and then they fall apart because they're cold. Okay, and they're steaming a little bit, so you can tell that they're nice and warm. So get those onto the plate, flame goes off, and then you're going to just fill these up. Plentiful, but not over full. Okay, and you always want to wipe down the edge of your plate. It's not okay to have a messy plate. And for your topping, you can put it directly in. You put it directly on top, or you can put it on the side, and then the person that's eating can kind of add it in as they eat. Okay, and that's it. That's your migas tacos. Very versatile, very easy, great for slab. Thanks, guys. Make sure you come back to Zoom if you have any questions. I'll be here the entire period.